Volume mass conversion. Here's the formula in solving for volume of fluid deficit. Let Y be the value of fluid deficit in percentage. So, fluid deficit multiplied by body weight results to the volume of fluid deficit. Case 1. A 28 kg patient is 7% dehydrated. How much fluid is missing in the patient? The very first thing to do is to know the fluid deficit in the given case. In this case, the fluid deficit is 7%. Convert the fluid deficit percentage into decimal. To convert 7% into decimal, we just have to multiply 7 into 100 to get its decimal value. So, we have now the value of fluid deficit, or Y, which is 0.07. Given the patient's body weight 28 kilograms, we can now calculate the volume of fluid deficit by following the formula. Fluid deficit, or Y, multiplied by the patient's body weight. Substituting the given values, 0.07 multiplied to 28 kilograms results to 1.96 kilograms. And since 1 kilogram is equal to 1 liter of fluid, therefore 1000 grams results to 1000 milliliters, as well as 1 gram is equal to 1 milliliter of fluid. To give you a hint to convert liters to milliliters, just multiply by 1000. So, the volume of fluid deficit is 1.96 kilograms, or 1.96 liters, or 1960 milliliters of fluids need to be replaced. Case 2. A 6 kg patient is 5% dehydrated. How much fluid is needed to be replaced? The same steps will be done as the case 1. Conversion of fluid deficit percentage into decimal. 5% into 0.05. The body weight of the patient is 6 kilograms. 0.05 multiplied by 6 kilograms is equals to 0.3 kilograms, or 0.3 in liters, and to convert in milliliters, we multiply it with 1000, which is 300 milliliters. Therefore, 300 milliliters of fluids is needed to be replaced. Case 3. A 65-pound patient that is 10% dehydrated is missing a known milliliters or liters of fluid. Following the same steps, we have to convert fluid deficit percentage into decimal. And since the weight is expressed into pounds, we have to convert it into kilograms by dividing 16 pounds to 2.2 pounds. The value of Y is 0.1 and the body weight is 29.5 kilograms. We can now calculate the volume of fluid deficit. 0.1 multiplied by 29.5 kilograms results to 2.95 kilograms. Therefore, 2.9 kilograms, or 2.9 in liters, or 295 milliliters of fluid is needed to be replaced.
In case 4, a 16-pound patient that is 7% dehydrated is missing unknown milliliters or liters of fluid. First, convert fluid deficit percentage into decimal. Then, convert the pounds unit into kilograms. The weight is expressed into pounds, so we have to convert it into kilograms by dividing 16 pounds to 2.2 pounds. The value of Y is 0.7 and the body weight is 7.27 kilograms. We can now calculate the volume of fluid deficit. 0.07 multiplied by 7.27 kilograms results to 5.9 kilograms. Therefore, 5.9 kilograms, or 5.9 liters, or 5090 milliliters of fluid is needed to be replaced. In case 5, a 4.8 kilogram patient that is 5% dehydrated is missing unknown milliliters or liters of fluid. The value of Y is 0.05 and the body weight is 4.8 kilograms. We can now calculate the volume of fluid deficit. 0.05 multiplied by 4.8 kilograms results to 0.24 kilograms. Therefore, 0.24 kilograms or 0.24 liters or 240 milliliters of fluid is needed to be replaced.